Congratulations, guys, if you became a profitable trader with the help of Almighty Allah, and now you want to show your progress with your friends or with your audience as well. So how you share your trading password with your followers, investors, or friends? Just I want to show you how to get a read-only password, because the real trading password is very dangerous to share with others. How can I show my progress to others? Let me show you in this video. My name is Rahil Nawaz. Welcome to the Capital Coach. First of all, we have to log in our account, Exness account, which I'm sure you already created, and you have already your account, and just click on three dot, which is your in the front of your account, and click on three dots, and here we have option set read only access. Click on that option, and you have to put your password. Like my name is Rahil, so Rahil 123456. So that's my read only password. They are telling us we have to put a special character as well in our passwords. So I just create my read only password and click on continue, and I need to put my security code here. Let me show you. No, they are showing me my real Exness server. They are showing me my account number, and they are showing me my read only password as well. So I have to copy the credential and share with my friend. In that password, my client or my friends can see my account progress, but not to trade or not to deposit or withdraw from my account, or they are not able to change any stop loss, take profit, or position sizing as well. So it's just they are just allowed to see my account progress only. That's how you can copy and create your read-only password, and you can now share this password with your friend, your investor, like that. Everyone can see your achievements or your trading result in live in MT4 and MT5 or Exness web terminal as well. So share these credentials with those who you wanna see your progress. Otherwise, never ever share these datas like with unknown persons. So in this video, we learn how we create our read-only or investor password, and how can I show my progress to with my friends. And let me show you as well how to connect with MT5 as well. So Exness MT5 download. Just quickly download the Exness terminal. Here we go. They are start downloading. Just click on MT5. Okay, here we go. The account. Just click on the login and put my account number and research my server. So we have our credentials. First of all, we have to copy our account number and paste it here. We have password, paste it in password window, and last is trading service. Very important. So trading service is Exness MT5 4. Okay, Exness MT5 4. This one. Oh my God, there is a too much rush of MT5 service. I believe this one. Exness MT5 and 4. Okay, just click on OK. Let's see our account is logged in or not. Wait a while. This is my real account. Okay, this is my real account. Let me open my trade. Let's say I put some sell order in gold. They charge 30-cent fee. Okay, and open my trade. And now we have in account, I also there is a show we have open trade, but as you see, I am not able to close this trade, or I am not able to do anything with this trade. As you see here, I'm not able to close, making TP, stop loss, nothing. There is no options. I'm looking at that trade because it's my only read-only password now. So that's why. So if I, for example, here I just put more sell, more sell, more sell. As far as I putting more sell, there is showing here, but I am not able to close, doing nothing. There's no any option. I'm just here to see what's going on, or I just have access to the history as well. Here is the history. The deposit $350, withdraw $200, or the profit is only $11 so far they have, or I'm not have any option to deposit and close and like that. But if I'm here, I have everything I have. If I am login with the trade option, I can do whatever I want to do. So I want to do more sell, or I want to do close my trades, or I want to do everything I want to do. But here is we don't have any option. Just we have to see what's going on like that. So that's the benefit of your investor password. So as we see, here is some they're showing us some profit. Let me close my trades to show you how it's working. Just close all trades. Shows everything is gone. Trades are closed, and I'm just have to see my history here. We earn $5 more, and now my profit is 19.57, and my deposit is $350, and withdraw is like, if I have to, like, I want to do some withdraw or I want to do some deposit, I can here in my personal area. Let's suppose I have to transfer fund from my wallet to my trading account, like I am depositing $200 more. So as you see, I just done deposit and it's showing me here in Exness MT5. They show us $550 deposit, withdraw 200, and your profit is like that. So that's how I'm sure I give you complete demo to show you how your investor password is work. I hope you like this video. If you find that this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button, and if you have any question, please ask me in comment below or contact us. Our team inshallah will support you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.